It's New Tool Tuesday, and Amazon dropped off a new tool for us, and so I'll show you what it is real quick. It is a new torque wrench. I think I paid 36 bucks for this bad boy. I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out. It's not no snap-on, but at least the case is red, right? Not bad. Actually looks pretty nice. So I bought this because obviously didn't have a torque wrench. Didn't want to go get the Harbor Freight one, hoping this would be a little better. And pretty happy with the finish, the build quality of it. We'll test it out and make some more videos. Make official review on it after I use it for a little bit.